Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your step counter on Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have the activity ring compilation on your clock face, you can tap that to open the activity app. In the activity app, scroll down using the crown or by swiping, and you'll get to the total steps section. This shows you the steps you have walked so far today. If you don't have the activity compilation on your clock face, you can get there by clicking the digital crown to open the app menu, and then tapping on the activity app. On the watch, you can only see the step count for the current day, but if you open the fitness app on your iPhone, you can see more information. In the fitness app, tap the activity box. Scroll down and you can see the step count for the current day. At the top of the screen is a calendar, and you can tap on any date to look at the step count and other activity information from that day. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.